Hey up today, Mt Yamato Katsuragi and Pampas grass. We're starting our walk behind Yamato Katsuragi ropeway station. What about me? Don't forget to close the ball gates. Today we're planning on taking the recently reopened Kujira No Taki course. To the right here is the北尾根course, up that way, which we have done before. You can check out our older videos. We've come here today in the hope that we're not too late to see the Pampas grass. The waterfall's up ahead here, isn't it? The way up is there, but we're going to have a look at the waterfall over there first. Is it still roped off? Oh no. I'm just about. Yeah, a lot of stairs. That's obviously what they've been repairing. Look at that. This trail tends to get damaged quite regularly. In fact, they seem to shut it down virtually every year for a period of time. So probably before you come here, you should check whether the condition of this trail is okay. I think they normally post a sign down by the ropeway station. The last time that we walked down this trail, it was really difficult for us to find the route. It was very, very steep and damaged. There seems to be a lot more stairs this time. The sticks are out. You see all the collapsed stuff to the left over there. Up to the right here as well, damaged. Look at that. Yeah. Again, we have to skirt around a partially damaged area. Another staircase there. I think it's these upper ones that are new, aren't they? More damage to the left. There are quite a lot of ropes and signs to stop you wandering off onto the slightly more dangerous parts. Wow, look at that bit. Oh no. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that bit wasn't damaged the last time we walked. In fact, I think we might have actually walked along it. You really wouldn't want it to be up here during the storm, would you? No. Oh no. Another big hole down there.
Maybe we walked down there.
I'm pretty sure we did walk down there. It seems that the Kujira No Taki course was closed this year from the end of July up until just about 8 days ago, I think. The repairs are fresh and it seems a lot of people want to come and see what it's like. It's very busy today. They've put concrete here, look. I don't know, the handrail's going that way for sure, but I think there's a path up that way.
I think I'll follow the handrail.
Okay.
And see.
It's looking nice and autumnal up ahead.
Oh, where?
Yeah. It must have taken an awful lot of people to do all this work. All these handrails and signs. Looks like there's a non-stair bit here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We go this way.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I can hear the ropeway again. You see it?
Oh, it's over there.
Mhm.
Far away.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah. First of the 3 dodgy bridges ahead.
I don't remember this bridge.
How come you don't remember? As I said, there's 3 of them. Well, there was last time. It's not wobbly at all, it's very sturdy.
Oh, not bad.
And the one ahead. And it looks like there's some new stairs ahead. 3rd bridge up ahead. This bridge looks new, doesn't it? Nice and solid. The last time we walked up the Kujira No Taki course, we went up there to the left for the azaleas. Today we're just going to go straight on. You're looking tired. Oh no.
Too many stairs.
To the left, I think. Ropeway station, that away. We're going straight on to the top. Some mountain top convenience. Just after the shop, we'll turn to the right and head to the peak. Thankfully, the Pampas grass is still here. Nice, isn't it? And here we are at the top of Mt Yamato Katsuragi, 958.5 meters, or 959, I'm not sure. It's Mount Congo over there, isn't it? Yeah.
There's a guy there.
Nice and tall. It's a beautiful day. Lunch finished, it's time to look for a trail down. And today I think we're going to take the Kita One course. The ropeway station is down that way, but we're going that way for the Kita One. We have been up and down the Kita One course a few times before, but that was a good 3 or 4 years ago. I hope there hasn't been any damage done since then. It's to the right, left? No? It's to the right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
And now we get to go up again. Look at all those stairs. At this point, if you go straight on that way, it takes you along the Diamond Trail to Mount Iwahashi. But we're going to the right, here. And of course, if you continue along the Diamond Trail after Iwahashi, that will take you on to Nijo. Oh, she's sliding. She's slippery.
Yeah.
Another troublesome spot. Not too bad. I'm very glad that we came to Mt Yamato Katsuragi today. I thought it was very, very beautiful at the top. Excellent views. We nearly didn't come because I accidentally drank a little bit too much shochu last night and didn't want to get out of bed. I'm glad we did. Try not to slip, eh? Well done. The sticks are useful today. Looks like there's been a trail collapse to the right, so now you have to go to the left. It's well marked. Looks like we've rejoined here. Damage was up there. Nice.
I don't like this guy.
You like them?
No, I don't like it.
Oh, she doesn't like them. Jay's not going to like them either. Nice. I am finding today's I am finding today's downage as challenging as today's uppage. You alright?
Oh no.
Be careful. We're almost back at the ropeway station. We can hear it.
Don't want to slip again.
No. See, there's the path there that we went up earlier.
We went past it.
Yeah, we went that way. The ropeway station is that way. And today's knackering walk is basically over. We went up that way this morning, and now we're going that way back down to the ropeway, and possibly we're going to walk to the station because the bus could very well be full. Onward. God, I'm so annoying. We did walk all the way to the station.